Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this ONN 4K remote not working. Now, the first thing you want to do is just simply take out the batteries. So let's take out the batteries right now. And there might be a button that's lodged or stuck. So just go up and down the remote now. You can just hold down the power button when you're doing this. Hold this down for about 5 to 10 seconds or maybe longer. And just drain any residual battery life that might be in here. And go up and down the remote just like this and press and lodge every button in. There might be a button that might be stuck, or it could be draining battery. So your battery's already dead. So just go up and down maybe 5 times just like this and make sure every button is pressed in. I'm holding down the power button too. So you can let go of the power button now. So everything is pressed in, and then you can flip it over and tap it and just make sure no buttons pressed in now. And you can try new batteries at this time too. If a button may have gotten stuck or something like that, it could have drained the batteries overnight. So let's put these batteries in. So it looks like the minus is with the little spring and the plus is on the opposite side here. So let's make sure this is in correctly. Okay. These are in. Now what you want to do, since you basically just reset this, go over to your ONN 4K device, and right near the HDMI cable where you plug that in to the device, there's a small button you can press down for 10 seconds. It'll bring up the pairing mode. So let's do this now. So here it is. And I'm holding it down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So about 7 seconds it will take to bring open the screen. Let's go to it now and zoom in. And it says pairing remote. Press and hold the back button and the home button for 5 seconds or until the LED light blinks green. So let's do this now with this remote. So I'm holding these 2 buttons down. So we'll focus here. No, it won't. But just hold these 2 buttons down and your remote should pair. So you can see if you hold those 2 buttons down, pairing was successful. So now that I have my hand free here, I should be able to tap focus. So hold down these 2 buttons and then it will pair. Okay, so now once you get back to the home screen, if there is like a new update, you haven't updated for a while, so go all the way to the right. And then under notifications, right where it just says developer options enabled, you should be able to update your remote right there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.